A Calgary doctor who contracted COVID-19 is sharing his experience as a warning, with the virus now hitting younger people harder during this third wave. Sidhu is live at the mass immunization clinic downtown, and Ina, the variants are now sending a whole different demographic to hospital.
Tara, health officials say COVID-19 variants are hitting younger people because many seniors and people in vulnerable groups have already been vaccinated. Children, even babies, are ending up in hospital, some even in ICU. The photos are dramatic. A young, healthy resident physician in ICU on high-flow oxygen.
I started to lose hope at one point, and I feared for my life.
Dr. Jordan Ma contracted COVID-19 during the first wave. He was working at a Montreal hospital at the time. He says he doesn't know how he got it, but doesn't wish the experience on anyone.
It was to the point where I wasn't able to shower without oxygen. I couldn't even go to the bathroom on my own.
The 30-year-old is now an infectious disease fellow at the University of Calgary. He's speaking out as hospitals are seeing younger and younger patients.
The new variants, younger people are getting sick, and that's a fact.
According to Alberta Health data, the highest rate of new infections are among those aged 20 to 39. The average age of a patient in ICU is 56 years old, but some are much, much younger. Gabby Gonzalez-Elias tested positive for the UK variant and was admitted into the Alberta Children's Hospital on April 12th. She spent 5 days in the pediatric intensive care unit.
She ended up developing pneumonia, and then her right lung collapsed. So they needed to put her on a ventilator.
At less than a year old, she's too young to get the vaccine. Gabby has a compromised immune system. She was born premature with a chronic lung disease and cleft lip and palate.
It's broken my heart, seeing Gabby not being able to console her, because it was just, she was in so much pain.
Stacey Elias says it's too hard to pinpoint how the whole family was infected, but she worries her daughter will have health problems for a long time to come.
It definitely has put her lungs more at risk for long term.
Ina Sidhu, CTV News, Calgary.